The plan for tonight is to launch the next song, and very excited. We have released one song before, and that was called Radha. This one I think is already out. It's the name is already out. It's called Beach Beach Mein, and film के भी बीच में ये गाना आता है. So I'm like looking forward to seeing how people respond to this song. Actually हो ये गया कि प्रियंक जो है यहाँ पे वो मेरे दोस्त हैं और this place is called Tamasha, which I like the name of the place as well. So it became the appropriate place for us to launch a song which is basically a new disco club kind of a song. So it was appropriate that we launched it at a club, and we are very happy to launch it at Tamasha. बहुत खुशी की बात है कि लोगों में एक पॉजिटिव रिएक्शन है हमारे प्रोमोस का. हमने ट्रेलर स्टार्टिंग में लॉन्च नहीं किया था. हमने मिनी ट्रेलर्स लॉन्च किए छोटे छोटे. आज 5वां मिनी ट्रेलर कल के दिन में आउट हुआ था. तो लोगों का रिस्पांस अच्छा है. छोटे पैकेट्स ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट हैं जिससे फिल्म का एक अच्छा सही अंदाज़ा मिल रहा है लोगों को मेरे ख्याल से. अभी तक तो सब कुछ पॉजिटिव है. उम्मीद करते हैं कि आगे भी पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा. ओके. Well, to be compared to Mr. Yash Chopra is both a matter of unbelievable pride, but also a matter of a little embarrassment and humiliation, because in my own eyes I stand nowhere in comparison. I would never say that I have any quality that resembles Mr. Yash Chopra, because for me he is just a huge legend, and I think just my name taken in the same sentence as Yash Chopra will make my family very proud of me. Well, it was the greatest experience to work with Shah Rukh. He is the most gracious, funny, passionate person, filmmaker, friend that one can hope for. It's his kindness that the film has turned out very well, and I'm very, very happy that after all I got a chance to work with the Shah Rukh Khan. I hope that I have been able to justify the huge talent and the huge resource that that man is. Anushka, I have been an admirer of for a long time. I was waiting for the day that I could work with her, and now I have. And it's only very good she's not here, because I can praise her freely. I am very, very excited, very, very almost nervous about the prospect of Jagga Jasoos. I'll be there first day, first show to watch Jagga Jasoos, and I wish everybody does, because this is just the most hugely talented film director and actor coming together. I'm very excited about Jagga Jasoos. Thank you. देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि सेंसर बोर्ड को ऑब्वियसली अपना काम करना होता है. वो जब हमारी फिल्म देखेंगे तो शायद उनको कोई ऐसी आपत्ति नहीं होगी. इसके अलावा कुछ बोलने को है नहीं मेरे पास. थैंक यू.
बंद करके रख दे. one more year.
He's not wearing a.
Is he wearing his own name?
मैंने कर लिया है
तीनों का साथ में
सर आप लोग
Guys, hट जाओ please.
अच्छा भाई
Good evening. How are you? Oh, pen गिर गया. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू
This I've been made to understand. This is called pub crawling,
एंड नॉट हॉपिंग
hopping. I mean, I'm very with it. So the idea it's actually in the movie. The song comes when Harry and Sejal we start celebrating in pubs and karaoke bars and nightclubs on our own. Very few people around. So it's like a party of a couple. So our team thought if we go to pubs and if we go to nightclubs and even areas where people lounge, it will be nice. And it's like a club song, I think. You know?
Yeah.
It's like a club song, beach में.
मैं क्या करूँ?
बताओ.
So like Shahrukh said, it's a song where these two characters, Harry and Sejal, are bonding with each other, and it's really fun क्योंकि ज़्यादा लोग हैं नहीं जहाँ पे ये लोग साथ हैं, लेकिन they're so happy in each other's company, इतने comfortable हैं एक दूसरे के साथ कि they're making the most of wherever they are. So they're in a place where the party is almost ending, like in a bar, it's almost nobody is there, and he starts singing, at a karaoke bar, and then both of them just start jamming there, and they're having a great time. So it just kind of shows how good they are together. Like when they're together, they have so much fun that they don't need anything.
24 days to go. We will see more often of you. But in fact, sir was like the feeling for the promoting of the
Oh, हाँ, this first time you
That's
come.
true actually. That's what I was saying. Imtiaz also
Please
that.
give her a round of applause. Yeah.
First time all three of us are there. Actually, I was shooting for my film Pari, as you know. So I was busy with that, and now I'll be here for the promotions, and yeah, I'm happy that all three of us are
हाँ,
together
मतलब
finally साथ साथ.
कोई झगड़ा नहीं हुआ.
हाँ, मैं वही बता रहा हूँ. ये जिसने जैसा पूछा तो बड़ा मतलब कुछ
आप बहुत अच्छे लगे हो दोनों एक्ट और इसमें मतलब फ्लेवर है पूरा.
और एक्चुअली जो गाना है ना वो इस बात का प्रतीक है. इस बात का प्रतीक है कि कभी कभी रिलेशनशिप ऐसा होता है जो फाइनल नहीं होता, हमको खुद नहीं मालूम होता कि क्या रिलेशनशिप है, वो बीच बीच में होता है, ना यहाँ का होता है ना वहाँ का होता है. सो द होल सॉन्ग इज लाइक दैट. सो आई थिंक पीपल विल